Space Shuttle Columbia disaster. Some facts about the Columbia Space Shuttle was that it was the first reusable spacecraft. The first launch was on April 12th of 1981, deployed the Cahandra X-ray Observatory in July of 1999, and Columbia flew over 28 missions, started the 29th, but was never able to make it back. On January 6, 2003, 7 crew members aborted the spacecraft. Rick Husband, number 2, he was the commander. William McCool, number 6, was the pilot. Michael Anderson, number 5, was the payload commander. David Brown, Kapana Koala, and Laurel Clark were all mission specialists. And then Elan Ramon, number 7, was the payload specialist. After spending 16 days in space, after re entering the atmosphere on February 1st, 2003, in Texas, this happened.
Everybody, I'm Peter Jennings at ABC News headquarters. In the words of a flight director at NASA, it has been a bad day. 7 astronauts have died, their families shattered. The space program has been dealt a terrible blow. The larger family of men and women in space exploration devastated. And the country has been reminded how dangerous it is, and that for all of America's technological genius, it doesn't always work. This morning, just before 8 o'clock Texas time, the Space Shuttle Columbia was just about to finish a picture-perfect 16-day scientific mission. The astronauts' families were by the runway in Florida, poised for a great reunion. Instead, this was the picture that we all saw. Columbia was at 200,000 feet, going 12,500 miles an hour when it suddenly broke up under stress that we still do not understand. 16 minutes from home. We begin our field reporting with ABC's Ned Potter.
It was later found out that the problem was due to foam falling from the big orange fuel space part, had hit the left wing and had damaged it. NASA learned that before the disaster, many people and engineers didn't think that foam falling off would cause a disaster. With this disaster that happened due to foam breaking the wing, NASA called for more thorough examinations on the spacecraft and the places that foam was at.